What is that, Rayansh? Is this chalkboard? Blackboard.
Blackboard and whiteboard. See, pull this. Pull this.
Did you like it?
Pull this.
Did you like it?
IKEA board comes with 1, 2, 3 pieces and that, and it's called mala. What is it called, Boo Boo? Mala. Mala. Blackboard and whiteboard. And it stands like this. Now let's assemble. We got these 4 pieces and 4 screws which we need to attach here. Yay! Now, what are we doing? We are putting this type ones will go on the blackboard. We are putting screw here and tightening it up. Both parts are screwed in now. And you put this side on the whiteboard. You just place it in the hole. And now put in the screw. Also screwed in. Now all of them are screwed. Tighten. Screws are tightened. Let's put together. Put these together. Standing like a V. Put together. Just join.
Join it.
Fit them in the groove.
Fix them in the groove.
Like that. Like that.
We have to fix the grooves.
Here, just insert one inside the other. Click and then lift. When you fit this one.
How do we fit this? Help,
Whichever
Daddy.
side you want it on.
It's like a barn. It's like a barn.
Does it look like a barn?
Yeah,
Yeah, fit it in the hole. Let's show Daddy.
This one goes in here.
Like one.
it's like a barn.
There's a hole here.
Okay.
And you just
It's a barn.
fit.
You peach.
And done.
Yeah.
The
And
barn.
then here
It's like a
you
barn.
just lift and slide this over here. And on this side, same thing.
Wait.
One side has a hole, so this side you fit the hole first.
Mm-hmm.
Fit it here.
Now first do this side.
First on this side. And then you just slide this one. Oh, make sure you put it down. Put this up before you slide this in. Lift it up like that. Then slide this in. This one will go into the groove. So you're done.
Alright. Done.
There you have it. Pretty easy to shift the sides also for the tray. I moved it from here to here in a few seconds.